So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on P on your keyboard. You want to find print spooler. Double click on it. You want to make the startup type disabled and then click on stop, which will now make the server status stopped, and then click on OK. For the next step, this will be down below in the description, WINDIR System32 spool printers. It's going to be down below in the description. Just highlight it, do Ctrl+C to copy it, and then go to search and you want to paste it. You should now be seeing this right here, %WINDIR %System32 spool printers with this folder. You want to click on it. There might be a pop-up that comes up. You want to select continue, which will now bring us to here. You want to delete everything in this folder, so do Ctrl+A and then click on delete. Delete everything in this printers folder. We can now close out of this. Now for the next step, you want to go to search again and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, do the same thing. Click on any service one time and then click on P on your keyboard. You want to find print spooler, double click on it. This time, make the startup type automatic and then click on OK. Double click on it again and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. And the print spooler should now be fixed.